3, 2, 1.
In what country does a widow wear purple to mourn her husband's death? The answer is B, Thailand. What is the unit of electric current?
The answer is A, ampere.
What is the name of Jennifer Aniston's character in the 2005 comedy movie Rumor Has It? The answer is B, Sarah. Which language is known as the language of Molière? The answer is B, French. What 2010 action thriller, starring Denzel Washington and Chris Pine, was the last movie directed by Tony Scott? The answer is A, Unstoppable. Who holds the record for most piercings on one person? The answer is B, Elaine Davidson. Which game features a character named Geralt and is based on the Witcher books? The answer is D, The Witcher. Which cocktail shares its name with a tool? The answer is D, screwdriver. What is another name for the carambola? The answer is C, star fruit. What describes the amount of solute in a solution? The answer is C, tonicity. Fungi may form mutualistic relationships with plants, algae, cyanobacteria, and what? The answer is A, animals. What is the process that breaks down food in the stomach? The answer is C, digestion. A doctor with a PhD is a doctor of what? The answer is C, philosophy. Diphenylamine acts as a stabilizer for certain types of what? The answer is A, explosives. What was the capital of Hawaii before Honolulu? The answer is C, Lahaina. The Mississippi River flows through which country was separated by comma? The answer is A, USA, Canada. The show Bewitched, starring Elizabeth Montgomery, ran for how many seasons? The answer is B, 8. How many of the Wolverines actually live through the end of the movie Red Dawn? The answer is C, 2. What is Ron's full name? The answer is C, Ronald Bilius Weasley. What happens to evolution when equilibrium is reached within the genes of the population? The answer is B. It stops occurring. Which famous fashion designer collaborated with H&M in 2004? The answer is A. Karl Lagerfeld. A. What is the job of Stephanie's boyfriend in the Stephanie Plum series of novels? The answer is D. A police officer. What may be lost when waves travel through matter, but not when they travel through space? The answer is D. Energy. What is the medical term for Adam's apple? The answer is D. Laryngeal prominence. From what animal do we get venison? The answer is A. Deer. What did Rose and Maurice Mitchum create in 1902? The answer is B. The teddy bear. Which component is used to convert AC to DC direct current? The answer is A. Rectifier. What is produced when hydrogen gas and oxygen gas are ignited?
The answer is C. Water.
What is the largest social media platform in the world? The answer is A. Facebook. What is the 150th to last word in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows? The answer is A. Both. With whom of these tennis players has Martina Navratilova not won a Wimbledon ladies doubles title? The answer is D. Gigi Fernandez. What is the proper ratio of weeks to the Earth's revolution around the Sun? The answer is B. 52:1. What does EGO stand for in psychoanalytic theory? The answer is B. ID, ego, superego. In The Silver Chair, Jill has a dream in which she sees what two words out of the window of her room? The answer is D. Under me. In Star Trek, which spaceship does Captain Kirk command? The answer is B. USS Enterprise. What is used for taking notes in class? The answer is A. Notebook. The nitrogen that enters living systems by nitrogen fixation is successively converted from organic nitrogen back into nitrogen gas by what? The answer is C. Bacteria. How many seasons did Joe Jackson play in the baseball major leagues? The answer is A. 13. On what planet does Episode V, The Empire Strikes Back begin? The answer is C. Hoth. What ingredient in bread makes it rise? The answer is B. Yeast. Which one of these words means pleased or satisfied with oneself? The answer is D. Complacent. This Atlanta area woman was charged with the beating death of her 5-month-old daughter. Can you name her? The answer is B. Carissa Ash. In the movie Forrest Gump, Forrest joins the U.S. Army and becomes best friends with Benjamin Buford Blue, played by Michael D. Williamson. What was Benjamin's nickname? The answer is D. Bubba. Ella has several wooden blocks. When Ella holds the blocks in her hand, she feels that they are rough. Which term best describes what Ella feels? The answer is D. An observation. What kind of literary works did Hans Christian Andersen enjoy reading when he was a child? The answer is D. Dramatic works. Who won the men's singles at Wimbledon 2021? The answer is B. Novak Djokovic. The Mississippi and Missouri rivers meet in which state? The answer is B. Iowa. Which constellation has the Big Dipper? The answer is D. Ursa Major. According to a popular 1960s slogan, where would you meet the nicest people? The answer is B. On a Honda. What is the principal ingredient of mayonnaise?